So in this particular video, we'll connect our Tableau Desktop Pro application with Microsoft SQL Server. I'll be doing this in two ways. One will be locally installed SQL Server and other will be cloud server. So let's quickly click on this Microsoft SQL Server and before doing this, let's jump to our SQL Server and ingest some data into it. So as you can see, I've connected with my SQL Server over here. So I'll click on this new query, and before new query, I'll click on here, and here I'm ingesting some data. So and cancel this. So let's create database and select the SQL Server before this database, and let's craft beer sales. So you guessed right, I'm from beer industry, so just to add new spices to the learning process, I'm using new data sets than using boring sales order.csv and all those things. So let's create this database. So as you can see, database is created. Now I'll right click on this import wizard, and I'll select this database location of my file. So I have already created one fictional file for the data set, and this is my Kingfisher beer sales analytics. It's fictional data set, and let's name this beer sales and next. So I'm fine with everything. So order ID will be my primary key. I'm allowing nulls and all these things, and that's done, I think. So why I'm doing this is because we'll be connecting with the same SQL Server SQL database, and before doing this, I'm ingesting some data into it. So it's done, and let's see what we have over here. So select star from craft beer sales, not craft beer sales. So database name is something else. Let's refresh this. Yes, so our database name is craft beer sales. Table name is select star. Okay, it's beer sales. Got it. So as you can see, this is the data that we have ingested. Now I'm going back to Tableau, and for this we need some few things. So I'm using this server name. This is what is being asked by Tableau, and then database is optional, so let's not do this. We'll select that later. So now it's asking for username and password, so I'm entering that. And let's sign in into this. So we are into these. We have successfully connected with Microsoft SQL Server. Let's select this database, So as you can see, we are connected with this database, but we don't have anything over here. Okay, let's connect with this. So as you can see, we have successfully connected with the Cloud SQL Server. And I also understand most of us don't have cloud services in our access. So just to do the same thing with the locally installed SQL Server, what I'm going to do is I'll go and click here. I'll add another data source. I'll click Microsoft SQL Server, and instead of this server, this time I'm going to use this server, which is my locally installed SQL Server. And database is again optional, so I'll use Windows authentication, same as here, and I'll click sign in. So as you can see, we also got connected with this, and we can access all sales. And over here, yes, so this is again same data source, but we have it in different place. So as you can see, let me change this, and as you can see, this is, so that's how we can connect our Tableau with SQL databases on cloud. So that's it for this session. Stay tuned for more videos like this.